हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं चाणक्य शुक्ला और मेरे साथ हैं सिड और मैं इस समय हूं कड़कड़डुमा कोर्ट में और इन्होंने मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा सहायता करी है मेरे म्यूज़िक कॉम्पोजिशन औदे मुरू इन्हें माही और लौट के आजा कंपोजिशंस को कॉपीराइट कराने में। ये भी जर्नी का पार्ट है और क्योंकि म्यूज़िक में लोगों को लीगैलिटी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं पता है, बट स्टिल ही हेल्प मी। इज़ अ यंग ब्लड हमारे नेशन के और डूइंग रियली ग्रेट। और बाकी का व्लॉग मैं आगे कंटिन्यू करूँगा अपने सेशन के अंदर। टिल देन जस्ट कीप स्प्रेडिंग लव एंड लाइक ऑलवेज स्प्रेड लव, स्प्रेड म्यूजिक। दिस इज मी चाणक्य शुक्ला साइनिंग ऑफ। थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी या। हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं चाणक्य शुक्ला और आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज का दिन मेरा काफ़ी प्रोडक्टिव रहा है और अभी जल्दी से जाके मैं एक काम करने वाला हूं आपके सामने। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। Yeah, so we are already have landed on the copyright official websites page. What I'm going to do in this particular video, I'm going to submit all the necessary documents. So all you have to do, visit the website and click on this link, upload work and documents, and you will find all the uh, submissions for which you have to upload your work. Now what I have to do, I have documents ready for this one, 31100/2023 COM on the Rone de Mahi, which I filed on 24th of November 2023 in the music category, and work is awaited. So wait is over. Now I select this, and here are the documents which we can upload. Nature of document: musical work to be copyrighted, graphical notes, so which I will choose from here. And here I've made a dedicated folder so that it will be easier for me in the documents. And where is it? It is here. All right, so musical sheet music, it is ready. As in the previous video, I have shown you how to make it. If you have not seen that video, then I will go to my channel and look for that previous video. All right, it is all prepared. So I'm simply going to attach it here. I've chosen it. I will attach it. Now the work is attached. Next document, NOC. I don't need NOC because I have the affidavit ready. So now I will attach the scanned copy of the affidavit. This is a genuine affidavit on the stamp paper, which I today itself, a few hours ago, I got it ready from the Karkarduma court, not high court, but there I got it notary signed, which declares that this composition on the Murone de Mahi is mine, and all in the 7th clause I have confirmed that this is the self-declaration affidavit. You can pause the screen to see it. Still, without wasting any time, I'm just going to do it. I attached it. Next document which I have to, power of attorney. I don't need that. Board resolution, no. Music form number 14, I will choose from here. Form number 14 is not this but this. All right, I'm going to attach it very fast. Somebody has a door. I don't care because this is my priority. Let them stand outside. And this is the miscellaneous. It is the acknowledgement slip. I'm going to attach it also. And now 4 documents attached, and I simply click on upload documents. It is now uploaded. I'll take a screenshot for my personal reference. And now when I will come back to this home, faster, faster, faster. Come on, come on, come on. Somebody is waiting at the door. So it is no more here on the move. It is work awaited and it is waiting. Now it is showing waiting instead of work awaited. All right. And when I will click on the view, I can see my attached document all in here. That's it. Now I just have to wait. So yeah, that's it. And that's all in the video. And I just want to share one video which I shot today and who helped me. And if you also want your documents ready, your affidavit, so I will put that link. हल्ला कर रहे हैं, करते ही रहेंगे, चलो, see ya, adios.